Hello, and welcome to another episode of my XCOM 2 Legendary Iron Man playthrough. It's not going too bad. I'm regaining a little bit of optimism, I think, for the playthrough. Some injuries, not gonna lie. A lot of injuries, actually. But, hey, it is what it is. Still think we're in quite a good place. Experimental ammo in 6 days. Yeah, that's okay. Oh, alien alloys. Oh, baby. Give that to me. I like that. Yeah, and then I need to start making the connections to another alien facility, you know?
Resistance communication
Hey!
now operational.
Resistance communications. +1 contact, and I can put an engineer there for more contact. So that is nice. Yeah. I can put this guy here for the time being. Finish the new ammo. Get.
Priority message coming through, Commander. Putting it on screen.
What's he gonna say?
Defeating the Resistance is a daunting task, Commander. But your efforts so far have left many wondering if
Come
you've
on.
made the right approach.
Fuck off.
We will have
I
to
thought you were gonna be optimistic, like me. You know, I don't care about your opinion if you're gonna be like a naggy naysayer, you know. What the fuck is this? Advent. Decreasing supply drop? No. I don't want that. Oh, I want that though.
Strategic resource located.
Oh, 36. That's so much. That's huge.
A vendor plotting new course.
And give me the new, give me new supplies. New experimental ammo. Yes, where is the ammo? Development complete. Uh-huh. Where the fuck? What the fuck do you mean?
Hello, Commander.
Nah. No, what the fuck do you mean? Like, yes. Where is my ammo? This is the old ammo. Dude, but it's so fucking cursed, man. Like 2 times now I have developed new ammo and I don't get any ammo. Brother. Ah, can someone please explain this in the comments? Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck do you mean? Where is my ammo? It's so much bullshit. So much fucking bullshit, man. This would be nice. Nah, I'm not in the mood for this. Like, fuck this proving ground shit. I hate it. Nah. No, I don't want to do it no more. It's not fun. Fuck that. Yeah, I don't care. Just gonna have him being idle. I don't care. No, I'm not. I'm not happy. Ooh. Ooh. That's nice.
Commander, I appreciate you recruiting new staff for the engineering team, but as it stands, we have people still waiting for an assignment. We can have them working on construction.
Yeah.
stations,
It
or
was intentional.
facilities.
Shen, I'm pissed. Fucking useless engineer. Didn't bring me shit. Yeah, he's not doing anything now. Yeah, sure.
Setting course for Sector 14, East Asia.
Disabled UFO. So I want to bring Danny because Danny's amazing. I wouldn't want to bring the sacrificial lamb, honestly, because yeah, I would want to bring Sindri though. But I'll bring Hrannar and 2 grenadiers. That's amazing. I'll bring Finnur. And I would like to bring another like a ranger. But I guess I'm bringing 3 grenadiers. Dude, I'm gonna blow that shit to pieces, man. What the fuck? Make everything available. I'm also building. Yeah, I want both of these things. Nice. Amazing. Well, yeah. Gets the med kit. Honestly, and flashbang. He gets nanoscale vest, and then just put some bullshit on the other guys. Don't care. Do I even have any supplies? No, I don't. To build anything more. Yeah, this is the team. Let's go in. I think I'll put grenade here and put flash on my ranger. Okay. Looks good to me. But that is a lot of grenadiers. Yeah. That's just what it is.
Ranger deployed.
We're in the pipe. 5 by 5.
But hey, I'm still pissed about that ammo,
Took
you
some
know.
work, but apparently the Resistance managed to disable a UFO that set down in this area.
Makes no sense.
Unfortunately for them, alien reinforcements moved in before they had a chance to pull anything off the ship.
I also had an advanced scope, advanced stock and a laser sight or something that I could have applied, but I always forget to do it, so that's just what it is. I'll pretend I'm saving it.
Site coordinates locked in. Move to secure the area, neutralize all hostiles.
We're operating in the shadows.
Good copy, moving on target.
If I remember correctly, the first engagement will trigger a countdown. Which is not nice. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, I wanna move past the
Closing on target position now.
turret. I don't wanna engage the turret. Why would I? Honestly.
Orders confirmed. Moving out. Got it.
What did I do? Something dumb? Yeah. Moving too fast. That's okay.
Confirmed.
Don't think these moves matter at all. Like, yeah.
That's affirmative.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Moving on target location.
Closing on target position now. Closing on target position now.
Heading to that location.
On my way.
Position confirmed.
Understood. Moving out. Confirmed.
Affirmative, covering nigh. Moving to position.
Again, this just doesn't matter too much. I'm just trying to move around the turret to get to the high ground here. By the ship that seemed very nice.
Position confirmed.
Just have a lot of visibility with my guys.
That's affirmative.
So I'm not afraid of triggering anything.
Heading there now.
Heading there now.
But still, it's always a good idea to keep your guys in cover because you never know if you accidentally trigger a pod. I don't feel like I always have control over that. Although sometimes I pretend that I know if something is a guaranteed non-trigger or not.
Copy. Moving on target.
I've often in this playthrough
Moving out.
triggered things accidentally, so just moving in cover is a good idea. When it comes to armor guy, I think it's a good idea to like kill everyone except him. And then he armors up, but then he doesn't have any targets to armor up. Use his armor up ability on. But I just heard some weird sound. Okay, I know this will not trigger. Because I see all three of them.
Heading out.
Yes. If I like lose any one of them, I have to be really careful. Because that is like what caused me to evacuate the whole mission
Headed there now.
at one time. In the episode called The Big Discovery. Or something like that.
Orders confirmed. On the move.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to get to that cliff. That is a nice cliff.
Good to go.
Go, go, go. On it.
Time to motor.
Honestly, I don't want to keep running over there.
Roger that.
Yeah. Just go back or something. Leave me alone. Let me get to my cliff. You know? I can hear a mech. I also heard some weird sound that stunned me some time ago. Don't know what that was. Can I see all three? Yes, I can see all three. This is a safe move.
Heading out.
Okay, nice. Yeah, I think I will take the hill.
Let's do this.
Take the hill with Hrannar.
Got it covered.
Take the hill with another Grenadier.
Got it. Moving.
Like this Grenadier.
Running.
And Finner.
10-4.
Scanning.
Now, when I lose sight of them, my movements become dangerous again. Because then I don't know. And like all movements are risky because I don't know if they will get discovered or not. So I will do this.
Confirmed.
Try to get visibility on them again. Yeah. This should not trigger, except if there are guys like here. You know? Is that bad? It's manageable.
Orders confirmed. Moving out.
Okay. Honestly, don't want to move too much.
Good to go.
Maybe this. And yeah, maybe bring the sniper closer.
Orders confirmed. Moving out.
Yeah.
10-4.
I'm on watch. Roger. I've got my eyes on.
You're gonna jump up? Yep. Yep. Oh boy. Okay. I would not like to trigger. Okay, yeah, exactly. Well, I can at least do this. This is safe because I can see them.
Headed there now.
Okay. I want to move this Grenadier back. So if I trigger this pod, I don't trigger both of them. I think here is okay.
Heading to that location.
Yeah.
Roger. I've got my eyes on.
Roger, I've got my eyes on. Scanning.
For the rest.
Roger. I've got my eyes
Yeah.
on.
Moving to Overwatch.
Eyes on the prize.
Let's see what they do. Hey. That was my speaker. So are they just moving in circles or what's going on? Whatever they're doing, I want to take the hill.
Moving to position. Moving on target location.
Thing is, now I have so many guys, it's hard to find cover for them all. That's a disadvantage of having too large of a squad. But the advantage is so obvious that it clearly outpaces that risk. Whoopa. Yeah.
That's affirmative.
Yeah, I don't have any more cover on the high ground. Let me
Moving to
take
designated
this. This is like just Overwatch.
Affirmative. Covering now.
Just Overwatch.
Eyes on the prize. Overwatch.
Scanning. Moving to Overwatch.
Hopefully I don't trigger anything, but if I trigger anything, like I will get Overwatch bras. They seem to be moving in circles around the ship. I would love to engage this bot, I think. Without seeing the other bot, yeah, I think for me that seems very nice.
That's affirmative.
Cannot see them with the combat protocol, so Finner would be out of action.
Confirmed.
See, the thing is, I can put a kill zone on them. I would just destroy them. It really would. He would hit everyone. If I put a kill zone on them and I put a grenade on them, like, they're dead. They're pretty much dead.
Knocking it down.
Yeah. I like the location of everyone. So, I'll take this from high cover.
Heads down.
So let's see, let Danny go bonkers on them.
Cover's blown.
Yeah. Oh, that's so good. Okay, I'm happy I took Killzone over the Cowboy
Check it before you get too close.
trade. Yeah, oh my god. Oh, wow, really?
Come on, focus.
Oh. Demolition. Yeah, 8 protocol will actually provide Overwatch, and he's out of ammo now. So. Oh, and look at the like range and size of the grenades now. That's amazing. And yeah, I don't want to move too much because then I'm at the risk of triggering the other pot, which is very nearby. But I do have 2 grenades. So one is going for the commander, and then I think the other one is just a suppression. Yeah. Seems good to me. Wow, it's so big. It's huge. Jesus Christ.
Throwing grenade!
Loot destroyed. It is what it is. And yeah, then just suppression.
Suppressing fire on target.
Affirmative, covering now.
And if I give like 8 protocol here, does he also get Overwatch? I don't think that works like that. So I'm gonna put it there.
Get it together.
Nice.
Menace 1-5, we just picked up an outbound signal coming from the UFO.
Mm-hmm.
It's some kind of distress beacon. You need to get inside that ship and shut down the signal before they send their whole fleet after us.
Okay, like going here will probably trigger. Yeah. I definitely want to grenade this and shoot that guy. And it would be nice to grenade with Sarah because she has 2 grenades. But there's also a question if I take this cover and engage the other one. And I think I do. Like. Right. Or maybe I don't. Six turns is a lot. I can kill 1 turn, I think. In which case, I think I will. Why not? Reload. Yeah. I want to kill 1 turn here. And not trigger the other pod.
Bombs away!
Maybe I come closer. Even.
Heading out.
Little bit closer. Oh, but that tile is a shame. Could have done some better movement on my part, but okay. Well, this is a shot I'm always taking. Okay.
Shot wide.
This is also a shot I'm always taking. Jesus Christ! Where did he go?
Burning through ammo fast.
Ah, okay. Yep, I'll take it. Yeah, maybe Danny comes here and reloads.
Okay, I'll go.
I already had a guy there, so it shouldn't trigger anything.
Back in.
Finnur comes running down. I don't know. I think he just comes here.
I'm on it.
Got it covered.
Yeah, nice. That's a lot better than triggering them on my turn.
Adjusting sights.
One problem is maybe the awkward position of the sniper. Yeah, it is really awkward. Yeah, but if I guarantee the kill on the trooper and the snake, I can take this cover. That's nice. Yeah, and I can. If I imagine I can guarantee these kills, I can do a lot of fun stuff. Take this for example. Yeah. If I can grenade both of them, I will. And I can. Amazing.
Bombs away.
Yeah, and this is one cannon shot. So let me take, there's a cannon with the scope somewhere here. This is the cannon with the scope, yeah.
On the move.
Yeah.
Hostile target down.
I also think these are 2 shots into the snake? Question mark. So much grenades. Yeah, I think I wanna do this and kill the snake.
I've definitely got that one.
I can even blow his cover and like try to kill him. How many grenades have I used? Like a lot. But it's kind of okay because I do have a lot of grenades.
If you say so.
Why can I not do demolition? Insufficient ammo. Yeah, I think I'm always doing this.
Here, catch.
$64.
On your order.
Okay. Then I take this
On
shot,
your order.
and I can probably finish him with combat protocol if it's, especially if it's a crit. Yep. Reduce dice. Nice. Wow.
Target neutralized.
Wow.
Overwatch.
That's amazing.
I'm on it.
Four turns. I just need to get Finnur in range, and then
Moving to position.
it shouldn't be much of a risk of losing the mission. Yeah, I'll do something like dumb. Like this.
Moving to position.
Maybe
What's over
this. Even commit. This guy. Like here.
Solid copy.
What's over there?
Yeah, okay, great. Didn't trigger anything, luckily. Because that would have been disastrous. So this is just a reload and
Oh yeah.
a repositioning round.
Locked and loaded. Covering now.
3 rounds. Yeah. Oh, definitely taking this.
I'm on it.
Okay, nice. Oh, not a lot of cover. Not at all. Maybe I take someone who I'd be okay to sacrifice and do like a risky move. Like Alicia. Or yeah, Caitlin Lynch even. Yeah. Bring her here.
I'm all over it.
Yeah, and then I'm okay bringing another person. Bring my sniper here.
I'm trusting you here.
Bring Hrannar there. Okay, and I don't want to risk anything more. But yeah, Finnur is very important, so I put him here. Sure.
I guess that'll be okay. Come get some.
Come get some. On Overwatch.
Scanning. Possible hostile contact.
Okay. Yeah, now I feel comfortable taking this.
On my way.
I'm so afraid that they'll be here, and if they like, then they will be flanking this cover and it won't mean anything. Okay, where's Finnur? Put him here.
Heading out.
Okay.
On the move.
Well, if you say so.
Yeah.
Heading out.
And I don't want to move more than this.
Scanning.
Oh, what? Who is this? What the fuck? Ah, okay, but just here.
Okay, I'll go.
I cannot risk anything more.
Affirmative. Covering
Got it
now.
covered. Moving to Overwatch.
I'm on it. Overwatch. There's something right there.
Mm-hmm. Well, now I am doing something like this, and hopefully not triggering the pod, but very likely triggering the pod.
On your order. Menace 1-5, that's the distress beacon. Move in and disable it before the aliens get a bead on the UFO.
Yeah, wow, I didn't trigger the enemy pod.
I'll take
That's
a look.
some absolutely, like, amazing. That's great. Wow, but I want this so much. Yeah. Yeah, well, doesn't matter either way. Wouldn't have got either one of them. Okay.
Got it. We've knocked out the
Okay,
alien. Looks like the
nice.
skies are quiet.
Nice, nice,
Enemy
nice.
movement ahead.
Now I'm just like, yeah,
Got it covered.
I can play very safe.
Ready to engage. Movement here.
They seem to be moving. Oh wow, yes, 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 give me the Overwatch shots. Oh, and this is such a good like chain of events in this mission. Nice, nice. I'll take any damage I can get.
Just a little off.
3-3. Okay. So can I kill all of them? That's the question. Danny can kill both codexes. One with pistol shot, other with grenade. So it's just a question of the snakes. Where's my shotgun? Okay. I think I'm always gonna guarantee the kill on this snake. So
On your order.
I'm taking this shot. Maybe it would have been nicer to put it on the other snake.
Hostile target down.
I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Possibly. But I do have grenade. So if I get any damage on the other snake, he's probably dead. And I do have combat protocol and grenade on the last snake. And then 2 grenadiers, right? I think I'll just commit this. This is a grenade. Yeah, what is this? This is just a low percentage shot, I think. So I will take it. It's just a low percentage shot of the snake. From somewhere. Don't know where though. How much life does he have? He's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 2 grenades in the combat protocol. And I do have 2 grenades. Okay. This is grenade. Where's my other grenade? This is the other grenade. So this guy just takes any shot to try to do any damage, which he possibly can't do. And I have this. It's funny how the sniper is one of the most effective units at close range with his quick draw ability. I honestly just want to move this here and like take the shot on the snake. Let me do Alicia first though. Yeah, but there's just no cover for her. That's the problem. Worst case, the snake takes a flanking shot. I don't care. I don't think. It's a tricky situation. I can almost guarantee the kill on everyone. Just not the... And maybe I should have saved the ranger for yeah. Probably should have. Probably should have. But okay, I'll just commit. I don't care about a flanking shot from the snake, honestly.
Heading to that location.
Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. That's dumb of me. Oh. Well, okay. I'm not afraid of this codex because I know what they will do. Always does the same. I'm not that afraid of the sectoid, but it will take a flanking shot on Caitlin Lynch. I'm okay with that, I think. Sniper, yeah, sniper goes. Yeah, it's not even a guaranteed kill from the... Hey, what the fuck am I doing? What the fuck am I doing? It's dumb. All of it is dumb. I think I'll start off with this. Just take this. Like, it cannot, like... Yeah.
Hostile terminated.
Cannot really miss that. This one, however, I can miss. I didn't factor Factor that into the calculations. So that is rather dumb. My ranger is fucked. And I can't guarantee, yeah.
What's over there?
On your order.
Okay. I clearly take this shot. It's a no-brainer almost.
I got it, right?
And I can do 2 grenades on the snake. Yeah. Well, that's just not enough. Like, do I take this shot? Yeah, I think, honestly, I think I do. Yeah. I don't care about the flanking shot from the sectoid. It's not that much damage. And then I don't really care about being in cover. Yeah, I don't care about being in cover actually this round. One of the first rounds like that. No, but I have had some of those rounds before in the ship.
I'm trusting you here. Yeah, I didn't get it. On reserves.
Try to not blow up those like Elerium crystal engines or something.
Take this.
So good to use the grenades on the snake because he cannot dodge that. I know. I'm in this position again. I'm not taking the chance. See, he teleports and does like the fucking vortex. So me being in cover didn't matter. And the sectoid is just whatever he wants to do. That's so dumb. Okay. But then Freya's in like the vortex field and she'll take a lot of damage. But I can't really prevent that, can I? Or maybe I can. Ah, that's neat. Okay. The sectoid.
Moving on target
It's
location.
like dying like this.
I
3
need
damage. Yeah.
That's it!
Panic removed. I still cannot move her, so she's just fucked. Absolutely fucked.
What's over there?
Move back, reload. Move back,
We're
reload.
green to go.
Yeah. Maybe move back and flashbang if I can even flash the Cortex. I don't know if that's possible.
Heading out.
This works, right? But it's also flashing my guy. But last time I checked, it doesn't matter. Let me try it at least. Okay, it does work on the Cortex. It's good to know. Yeah, I think 8 protocoling someone. Yeah, like, yeah.
I'm hit!
Yeah, I couldn't really prevent that. Oh, you're gonna kill her? Oi, 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 oi.
There's heavy fire in this zone!
No. I start off with this and I think I can guarantee the kill, yeah. Sniper, yeah. It doesn't clone because it's stunned. Oh my god. Okay, that's good info, but that's kind of not what I was expecting. And if I miss this, I'm in kind of trouble. But
Heading out.
yeah, that's 100. Okay, well that's good info. If you flash the Cortex, it doesn't
I'm out of
clone.
firepower over
I
here.
think.
Confirmed. Mission accomplished.
Nice. What a solid mission. Bit of chaos in the ship at the end, but I'll take it. I have the armor. I'll take it. Yeah, and some miscalculation, but like, you're never gonna have a perfect mission, are you? This is good enough for me. Hrannar got a promotion, I think.
Our troops are making it look easy out there, Commander.
All
thanks to you.
Lightly wounded? What? Thought that would have been like gravely wounded or something. Ah. Wow, and now the Advanced Warfare Center is kicking in. Hunker down, confers 20, aim to the first shot on the following turn. Wow, that's amazing. I love that. Run and gun, wow. Wow. Okay. Ah. Damn. Oh my god, that's nice. That's a lot of shit. Good stuff. Good stuff. Well, that was a nice mission. Thanks for tuning in. And I'll see you guys next time.